Hi everyone, welcome back to Pam's Wig Adventure. And so this is my video for the week where I show you what I'm wearing for outfits and wigs for the week. So the outfit I have on, you'll see when I do my install, but these are the outfits that I have. So these are mostly going to be outfits that I'm wearing in the house this week. This is a cute little romper. We've got cute little dress. We've got shorts and a real pretty little tank. And then I have a dress to wear to work on Saturday. Now, when we come over here, I've got some really cute wigs. I'm gonna go all short because it is gonna be super hot. So at the top, we have Jacqueline Smith, Shoreline Stroll in Caramelized Brown. Then we have Paula Young's Margot in SF12 28 Honey. Then we have Paula Young's Amy in 1488 Golden Wheat. We have Estetica's Winter in RH 1488. We have Renee of Paris Mod Sleek in Polar Sky. We have Zuri Sisamara in FFT Auburn. And then we have Jacqueline Smith's Timeless in Caramelized Brown Rooted. So again, here are all of the wigs for the week, and we have the outfits for the week. So hopefully you'll join me on my adventure for the week. Thanks for stopping by.